Are you looking for an easy way to download Pinterest video? Look no further. I'll show you how to download any Pinterest video in a matter of minutes. So let's go. First of all, let's open up the Pinterest application and then find the video that you want to download. For example, I'm going to select this one. So now what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And it will show you a couple of options. Simply tap on the copy link. Now you have successfully copied the link to this video to your clipboard. Once you copied the video link, exit Pinterest and open up any web browser that you like. I'm just going to open up the Google Chrome browser and search for Pinterest video download. After that, tap on this exact search result, pinterestvideodownloader.com. Once you are on this website, scroll down a little bit and tap and hold on where it says paste your link here, and then simply paste in the link to that Pinterest video that we just copied. Once you paste in that video link, simply tap on the red download button over here, and then it will load up this page, which, as you can see, when you are on this page, scroll down, tap on the download video, and that will open up the video in a new tab. So now all you have to do is tap on these three little dots at the bottom right of the screen and simply tap on download. Now that the video has been downloaded to my gallery, let's go and see it. And there you go. So that wraps up this video. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with more content like this in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.